My name is Earl. Welcome to my Early Riser workshop. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I live in Western Washington and it's springtime, which means sprucing up the backyard and getting ready for summer activities. Well, in my backyard, I have a cement sport court in the corner back here. I'm about to put a ramp from here to here that allows my son access to this sport court with his wheelchair. If that's of interest to you, then stick around and I'll show you my progress. Well, now that the perimeter is defined, my next task is to take the grass out between those two edges and transplant it here on the dirt area in front of the pad. Well, that dirt work turned out to be a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. But now that it's done, I'm ready to install the foundation for the wood ramp. So that'll be the next steps. I got a lot accomplished. The ramp is now settled in the ground in its final resting place. I'll be stapling the weed barrier now to the outside stringers, fill the middle with pea gravel, and then on to decking.
Nice. That is pretty. That looks great, Dad.
Well, that smile tells me everything I want to know. This fire ring is a great place for family gatherings, and now my son can join us without a problem by using the new ramp. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. So until then, be an early riser, get up and get going, and I'll see you real soon.